Hello and welcome to this video about this Commodore Amiga 1200. Let's just switch it on. It's got a hard drive installed, 16 gig hard drive, loads of games on there. It's got demos installed on there. It has a expansion card installed, which is a MTech Computing Viper 1230 28 RTC. That's got 8 megabytes of RAM installed on that card. The floppy is working absolutely fine. Just test that. It's working nicely. And let's just take this out. Let's just have a look at the speed. It's a speed test on there. So this is comparison with the other machines. So that's a standard 1200 there, and that's us. So we're running a lot faster than a standard. We're running faster than an A1200. So I think that means we're running like 4 times faster than a standard 1200. Let's quit this out here. Have a look at iGame, which is installed. So iGame's a great interface. You can scroll and look for games, or you can let's just click on a game here. Double click, and it loads the game up really quick because it's just loading from the hard drive, no floppies involved. You press F10 to quit, so it gives you a little bit of information there.
Good boy, Penny boy.
This is quite a good game, this one. Just F10 to quit. You can also search up here, so Q, for instance, brings you up a list of games. Click on Show All. There's 1,569 games there installed. Let's just have a look. I've got some favourites here that I've just put by there, and it's got a nice option because you can add favourites. Let's have a look at this one. This is a good game. It's got some good music on it, this game as well. Got a nice intro. This one tells you press help to quit. It just gives you a little bit of information there. Again, it loads up very fast. Close that down. We can look into demos that were installed. Just click on a demo. This demo you have 10 to quit, so there's a lot of demos installed as well, which is nice. Let's just let this demo play out, and we'll end the video. It was just a quick demo of the machine working. It's going to be going on eBay, so just thought I'd better do a quick. Be nice to do a little demo overview of the machine working. Just downsizing my collection, so it's a very nice machine. We'll let this demo play out, and then that'll be the end of the video. And thanks for watching. that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.